and welcome into my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful granny square. It is very easy. You can see it as complicated, but it is not. It's very easy to do and it's very fast. So let's start, shall we? And I'm going to use 2.5mm hook size according to my yarn. It is very small yarn. You can see it on my finger, but depending on the yarn that you are using, use the hook that is appropriate for. Now I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, placing the yarn this way across. And then I'm going to insert from this and pull and chain one. And I'm going to do 2 chain. This represent, now I have 3, represent 1 double crochet, another 2 double crochet inside the circle. So again, insert inside the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, yarn over, insert inside, pull the first 2 loop and the remaining 2. And then I'm going to do what? 8 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And inside the circle, again, repeat, I need 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert inside, pull. I have 3 loops, so the first 2 loop and the remaining 2. Again, yarn over, insert inside, the first 2 and the remaining 2. Yarn over inside, first 2 and remaining 2. Again, chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, I need 3 double crochet. So 1 and 2 and 3. Now I have 2 chain spaces. I need 8 chain spaces here. So you're going to continue until you have from this 3 double crochet 8 times and from the 8 chain 8 times. So continue doing and come again for the next row. Now I've done all of them. If you count the double crochet, you'll find them that there are 24, and I have 8 gap of the 8 chains. So now I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain, chain 1, and cut. I'm going to pull this yarn to close my circle properly. And now the new color, where I'm going to add it, I'm going to add it at the top of any of the middle double crochet. So where's the middle? I have here 3 double crochet. The middle one you're going to add new color, and then you're going to do what? A single crochet. You're going to chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. So chain 1 and a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now here you're going to work a single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a single crochet at the top of what? Previous double crochet in the middle, the second, which is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you're going to insert the hook here and pull yarn over. I have 2 loops. This is my single. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the middle, you're going to insert at the top and then yarn over, single crochet. So continue working this and come again for the next row. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1, and cut. Now I'm going to add a new color at any of the chain 5 spaces. Now I have here any of the chain 5. I'm going to add the new color. And I'm going to start by working a cluster of 3 double crochet, cluster of 3 double crochets. So I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to work what? A double crochet through the first 2 loop only, another double crochet through the first 2 loop, and then through all. Chain 5. Now again in the next chain 5, in the chain 5 spaces, again cluster. So yarn over, working a 1 double crochet through the first 2 loop only. See, I'm yarning over, insert inside a pull the first 2 loop, and then leave the 2. Yarn again, first 2 loop, and 1 more, first 2 loop. I have 4 through all 4 loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Again in this next chain space, cluster. So the first 2 loop, only the first 2 loop until you have 3 loop, all the loop, and then chain 5. So continue working like this in all the chain 5 spaces, and come again for the next row. I finish all the stitches. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first cluster, chain 1, and cut. Now let's start transferring it into a square. Now where I'm going to add the green, let's go from the beginning. You're going to see, now this is my first row, the 8 chain. Now here I'm going to add the green, the new color here, at any of them. So you're going to start from here. So I'm going to go up here. So this gap, not this gap, no, the gap between, in that, at the top of these 2, see, at any of these gap, that, but make sure that is perpendicular to the what, the first row. Now chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again you're going to skip the next space, work here. I'm going to work cluster of what? Now first 2 double crochet through all, chain 2, and then what? Triple twice, cluster of a triple, which is yarning twice, insert first 2 loop and the remaining 2, again yarning twice, insert first 2 and the remaining 2. I have 3 loop through all loop, chain 2, again a cluster of 2 double crochet, all in the same chain space. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip the next gap, and the next one you're going to work what? A single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again skip them, and the next you're going to work the corner. I'm going to repeat, yarn once, and then insert the first 2 loop, yarn again, insert yarn. I have 4 loop, the first 2 loop only. I have 3 loop through all loop, and chain 2. Again yarning it twice because I'm going to work a triple, insert inside, pull the first loop and the remaining 2, yarning it twice, again insert first 2 and the remaining 2. I have 3 loop through all loop, chain 2, cluster of 2 double crochet, and you're going to repeat all of these and come for the next row. I worked around all the stitches. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1, and cut. Now the white color, insert it at the top of any of the single crochet, and then we're going to do what? We're going to work 3 single crochet in the same stitch. So chain 1, 3 single. So this is insert inside, move. This is 1, 2, and 3. I have 5 chains, so 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I have a cluster at the top, only 1 single crochet. 2 chain, 2 single crochet. Now this cluster, the middle, I'm going to work at the top 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Here 2 chain, 2 single crochet. Cluster I have, so 1. Now 5 chain, 5 single crochet. And this is the pattern. I have done it 1 corner. I need 3 corners more, so finish them and come again. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet and then chain 2. Now for the next row, I'm going to work half double crochet in all the stitches. So yarn over, insert inside wool. I have 3 loop through all 3 loop. Insert inside, through loop through all 3 loop. Again, insert inside through all 3 loop. One more. So in all the stitches, you're going to work a single half double crochet in all the stitches. Now until you reach the corner, do you remember the middle cluster? I have worked 3 single crochet. So the middle one, I'm going to work 3 half double in the same stitch to create my corner. See how it become my corner? And then again a half double in all the stitches. So it is a very easy row. You're going to continue working like this, half double in all the stitches, in the corner 3 single crochet, 3 half double crochet. I finished all the stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the second chain. Now up to you what you're going to do in the next step. Either you stop here and it is enough as a row, or you can add another row of half double crochet or 1 double crochet to get a bigger size of row. Or a third option, so either you stop or increase, add another row of double crochet or half double, or you can work this pattern at the end, which is what you're going to chain 1. In the same stitch, you're going to work 1 single crochet and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2. In the third, you're going to do a single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain. Again, skip 2 stitches. In the third, a single crochet. And this is the pattern if you want to create this pattern for the square. But if you want to stop, either you stop or add, or you do this pattern, up to you. So I hope you liked my video and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.